Are you tired of constantly buying bottled water? Introducing the Hommix ziRO, your ultimate solution for pure, great-tasting water at home. The Hommix ziRO is a state-of-the-art countertop reverse osmosis water purifier with boiling water function for perfect teas and coffees and zero installation required. With its advanced filtration, it removes 99.9% of contaminants, including chlorine, heavy metals, fluoride, microplastics, and a lot more. Enjoy fresh, clean water with ease. Just plug it in, fill the tank, and start enjoying pure water instantly. Save money and the environment by reducing plastic waste. One filter can replace over 2,000 plastic bottles. Join thousands of satisfied customers who trust Hommix for their water purification needs. Upgrade your water quality today with the Hommix ziRO. Order now at hommix.co.uk and experience the difference.